So we are going to take a look at more finding of simple interest, and it wants us to find the simple interest to the nearest cent. So let's take a look at our example. $1,000, that is the initial principal invested, at 4.5% for 2 years. Well, let's take a look at our little formula for figuring out simple interest. We've got our I equals P times R times T. I being the interest, P being the principal, R being the rate, and remember you write that as a decimal, and T being the time, which is years. So when we write that, we have I equals 1,000 times 0.045 or 45 thousandths times 2. Well, let's multiply 1,000 times 45 thousandths, and to do that you're really just going to move the decimal point 3 places to the right, and when you do that you get the answer of 45. Now we'll multiply 45 times 2 and we'll get I equals 90. So now we can answer that the simple interest is $90. Alright, we're going to take a look now at another example. We've got here $2,500 at 6.75% for 3 years. So looking again at our little equation for figuring this out, where we have I equals PRT, we're going to plug those numbers in. So we get I equals 2,500 times 0.0675, which is 675 ten-thousandths. Remember, we're going to write our interest rate as a decimal, times 3. Now, just to make things a little easier, we're going to put some parentheses around the 2,500 and the 675 ten-thousandths, and so we'll work on that first. So we're going to use a calculator for that. So we've got 2,500 times 0.0675, and that equals 168.75. So now we have I equals 168.75 times 3. We'll get our little calculator out again. We're going to plug that in, 168.75 times 3, and we get an answer of 506.25. So that's equal to dollars, so the simple interest is $506.25.